Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing the secret kit that Rossi sent me, and this is Tiara. That's the shade that they sent me in this little kit. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. So my nails are actually already prepped and ready for this. I've already filed around my cuticles and dehydrated and shaped my nails, so you want to make sure you do that before you do any of this. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my base. Now you do not want to go all the way down to your cuticle with the base. You go 3/4 of the way down and then dip at a 45-degree angle. Again, 3/4 of the way down to your cuticle, which I think that I did that a little bit too close, but tap off the excess. Do the same thing with your ring finger. And this color is so beautiful. I did end up doing 3 coats. I don't show all 3 coats being shown on here, but I did do 3. And doing the pinky, and I do want to say I did go a bit heavy with the base coat. You do not want to go heavy with the base, as it can flood your cuticles, which I had that happen, and I did have a little bit of issues because I got a bit heavy-handed with the base and the activators. Well, not the activator, but the base. So I'm going ahead and doing it on my thumbnail. And this is a very easy way to get salon looking nails. I really love how fun dip nails are. It's just a lot of fun to do. So tap off the excess. And now I am going to go ahead and dust off any of the excess that's around my cuticles. And you want to make sure you do not do this immediately, because if you do it immediately after dipping, then it can actually pull up some of the color, and you don't want to do that. You want to do it after you've dipped all your nails. You want to dust off any of the excess. So that's what I'm showing here. And just any fluffy brush will work. Any fluffy brush. So if any of you all have dipped before, I want to ask you a question. I don't know if it's normal for acrylics to make your fingernails or your nail beds sore after doing them, because mine were sore. Now I might just be a big baby and that just might be me, but yeah, I think it's just because I'm not used to dip nails, and I think I overfiled. So I'm going to go ahead and do my second coat, and you can see how beautiful that glitter is when it gets that base on it. Is so pretty. I just love the color. So I'm going to go ahead and keep on showing you the dip, and then I'll start talking and sharing how I do my filing. Alright, so now we're going to apply our activator to harden the base and the acrylic mixture. and I do 2 layers of the activator just to ensure that it is fully cured. The activator is what makes it hard to where you can file it down and smooth it out and then put on your top coat. And yeah, this is a very necessary step. Now, if you wanted to and you didn't want to file off any of the glitters or the colors, you could get a clear dip to put over top. But I don't have a clear dip, so. And these dip manicures last forever on me. I think the longest I've worn one is 2.5 weeks, and it didn't chip or anything. When I was ready to take it off, I actually was thinking about sharing how to remove it. You use the bagging method. So I'm just using my e-file here. If you don't have one, you can feel free to use a actual hand file, but I'm just going to show an example here of me doing my finger and kind of smoothing out everywhere. I think my file got hot and it did something to my nail underneath, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the activator one more time. And now when you do the top coat, you want to make sure you wipe it after every brush stroke on your nail so you don't contaminate with the activator. Your brush will get super hard and it will ruin your top coat, so make sure you have something to wipe your brush off on. So I'm going ahead and making sure to get my thumbnail with the activator once more. And this color, you guys, it's amazing how it just transforms when it's the powder. So now you want to quickly apply your top coat, and this first coat, it sometimes can look really bumpy on the first coat. Usually you do too, but if you file your nails really well and buff them, then you may only need 1 coat. You can see it's very glossy on the first coat for me, so that means I did a pretty good job filing and smoothing out my nails. And there is my pinky. And yeah, this is just a beautiful nude pink shade. I was so pleased with how the color looked. It's just gorgeous. Thank you, Rossi, so much for sending this kit my way. I do plan on buying more dips in the future. I've been a bit rusty on doing dip nails because it's been a while since I've done them, but I had a lot of fun doing this video. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for my next Mani Monday. I do plan on buying some more dips here soon, so stay tuned for that. And there it is with the jar. Yeah. So thank you all for watching again, and bye!